I took a quick trip to Dallas to ride this weekend. I've been planning this one for a while, but it's rained every time I've tried to go. The day I got there, I decided to ride Boulder Park. It looks like a spaghetti bowl on trail forks. They've squeezed every bit of mileage out of this little space.
Oh, nice. Oh, bug in my mouth. Oh. Wow, that's tight. There we go. The worst part of riding somewhere new is checking trail forks all the time. Oh, that's a big one. I'm not doing that one. Oh man, should have trusted the berm more. Oh God, made it, all right. Ooh. So it's extremely windy today, and I gotta say I don't feel very thrilled about how old these trees sound. They sound creaky and they're clanking into each other. I did see one that had fallen over. I'll insert a clip of that real quick here. I mean, it's like, I know it's highly unlikely, but I would hate to have a tree land on me out here. This place has its ups and downs for sure. You just go up for a little bit, down for a little bit. It's just over and over, up and down. Which I can't complain, it could just be all flat, and it's not, so that's kind of nice. Well, this should be fun. Skull Hill. This is a good berm. Probably gonna have to wrap this ride up soon because it is just getting a little darker than I would like, especially considering I have no idea where I am. Never been here. I don't have any lights, so I need to get heading back soon. Kind of crazy when you end up near a highway on a trail and you can smell and feel that the air quality is worse. Good God. So I could bail out here if I wanted to and just ride the road down, but I don't know, there's only like a mile of trail left. I think I'm hitting it. I didn't come this way to ride the road. Lord's Hill. Oh, it sucks. That sucks. It's Lord's Hill. That drops right into Satan's switchback. Oh God. Well, I'm now on the last little stretch out. I think it's all climbing the rest of the way. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video from Dallas. It's a quick one. I'm going to be riding North Shore next. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please click subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching.
If you're looking for a well-made pair of mountain biking glasses or downhill goggles, but don't want to break the bank, check out Siroko. They sent me a pair of glasses and goggles. I was impressed by the quality, customer service, and shipping times. Their website offers many different styles, colors, and options. If you're in need of some eyewear for the trail, be sure to check them out.